Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2007 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive 6.0 diesel. It's got 129,000 miles on it. It's got a 11-foot service bed, 3,200-pound Powfinger crane, and it has a hydraulic air compressor. I'm going to walk around and show it to you. I've already did this video once, got all the way to the end, and somebody called me and screwed the video up. I forgot to put my phone on airplane mode, so I already got this thing ready. I'm going to go ahead and try to get it done. Show you the basic functions on the crane. Up, down, side to side, winch down, extension out, extension in, winch up. Of course, it does a lot more. It goes out a lot further and down and around and all that. I'm just showing you the basic stuff that it works. Alright, and right here is where you switch your flow on your air compressor. You pull this out and that'll turn your air compressor on. It leads into the bed right there. Place here for a welder. You can see that's where your air hose goes into right there. You can put a reel inside there. This is a really nice truck. It come in with nothing wrong with it. Super clean, one owner truck out of Texas. It belonged to BNSF Railroad. Yeah, this truck belonged to BNSF Railroad. It's in really, really nice shape. It's a one-owner truck, and another great thing about it is it's just had an engine put in it about 30,000 miles ago. It's got a new Ford engine in it. That's your outriggers crane. You just stick them in them holes there, put pins in them, run them down. Right up there is the hole where your air hose would go. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship it straight to your door. Figure somewhere around $1 to $1.25 a mile on this truck, and it kind of depends on where you're located. If you live out in the middle of nowhere, it might be a little closer to $1.50. If you live somewhere like Dallas, Texas, or I don't know, somewhere big where there's a lot of trucks going in and out, that's where you're going to get that dollar rate. So this is a really nice truck. It's in great shape, runs out good. Air's cold, crane, compressor all work like they should. It's got a 30,000 mile new Ford engine in it. You couldn't really ask for much more. All right, if you're interested, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. Really nice truck. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.